Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add people in the same city with you on Facebook. Here's how to do it. Open your Facebook app, click on the search button, and let's use any name as an example in this video. I'm going to use John. Click on send, and now what you have to do is to click on people. Click on the settings at the top right corner, and here you're going to filter by city. Click on city and select your city. In my case here, it is Owerri, Imo State. So I'm going to click on show results. From now on, all the results will be people based in your city. For example, this guy is in my city, Owerri, Imo State. So all the results given to you will be people in the same city with you. So that's how you add friends who are in the same city with you on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.